Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to use the filter method in JavaScript. Basically the filter method is a super handy way to get only the elements you want from an array, and we are going to use two examples in this video so you can understand very well how to use it. So the filter method, basically it returns or it creates a new brand array with only the elements that pass a certain condition, and we are going to see that in these two examples. This filter is perfect for cleaning data or selecting specific items, and we are going to apply that in these two examples. So here, as you can see, the first example, we have the ages array, and we want to filter or to apply the filter method on this array. We want to get only the numbers that passes the condition, this condition right here. We want only to get the numbers or the ages above or greater or equal 18. Okay, so how we can do that? So let me create a new const here, a new array, and I'm going to call this adults, and then I'm going to use the ages array. Then I will apply the filter method, and here I'm going to create or give or pass a callback function, and I only want to get the ages that are greater or equal than 18. Okay, so if I come here below and say console log, and I will console log the adults array, and then I will come here and I will try to see what I get from this console log. And as you can see here, we got 3 items. Okay, we have 18, we have 21, and we have 30. So these three elements passes the condition that we have here. Okay, so we just want to get the adults. For example, this can be like a function or something in an application. We only want to accept the persons with the age like greater or equal than 18. So this is how you can do that with the filter method. So this is a simple example. Now let's go to another example with an array of objects. For example, here we have items that are objects. We have the first object, for example, here it contains the cities, and then we have, for each city we have a population. So here I have written a condition. We only want the population or the cities or the objects that that have the population greater than 1 million. Okay, I just want the population that are greater than 1 million. So we are going to do the same thing we did here, but this one is a little bit tricky or nested. So I'm going to create a new array, and I'm going to name this big cities, for example. Then I'm going to use the cities array. Then I will apply the filter method. Then here I'm going to check for each city. So here I'm going to pass a callback function, and for each city I want to check the population. So I want to access to the population, and I only want to get the population that are like greater than this number right here. This is 100,000. Okay, so I just want to get these cities that have this number of population, okay, or greater than 100,000 person. Okay, So let me just comment this one, the first console log, so we can get only one console log. I will now come here and we say this is the big cities equals, then I will add the variable or the array big cities. Okay, I will try to see what we got, and as you can see here, big cities, we only have two cities, the city B and the city C. Okay, because they passed this condition right here. Okay, so basically this is how you can use filter in JavaScript. It's a really handy and super useful method in JavaScript. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you understand how to use this method, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much.